Welcome to the anatomical deep dive of the Samsung Galaxy S25, a device that packs a huge heart into a small frame. We'll be breaking down this latest model in detail. The S25 chassis engineers a compact form, weighing 162 grams and measuring 7.2 millimeters thin. Its boxy shape is ideal for one-handed use, featuring armor aluminum rails and a frosted glass back. The viewport is a 6.2-inch dynamic AMOLED display protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 2. It offers extremely clean visuals, high sunlight visibility, and uses a dynamic switching LTPO refresh rate from 1 Hz to 120 Hz. The silicon heart of the S25 is the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor with 12 GB of RAM. This provides a substantial performance shift and a unified global experience, ensuring effortless multitasking. Under pressure, specifically during gaming, the S25 performs well with passive cooling. It delivers 90 to 120 FPS in 6v6 modes and 50 to 70 FPS in Battle Royale, avoiding critical throttling despite significant heating. The nervous system is One UI 7, promising 7 years of support until 2032. A key feature is the Now Bar dynamic notifications, which offer practical information like timers and media updates. The primary optics feature a 50-megapixel wide-angle camera, acting as the heavy lifter with a large sensor. It is a reliable all-around performer, significantly superior to the ultra-wide and telephoto modules. For peripheral vision, the S25 includes a 12-megapixels ultra-wide and a 10-megapixels telephoto with 3x optical zoom. A limitation is the lack of a macro mode, as the ultra-wide lacks autofocus. Videography offers pro tools, including max resolution 8K at 30 frames per second and log video capability. The full Creative Suite, with features like zebras, is available on the base model. The self-portrait camera is 12 megapixels. It offers superior skin tone handling and avoids over-sharpening. A feature allows cloning color and contrast profiles from existing photos. The power reserves are constrained by a 4,000 mAh battery capacity, offering 4 to 5 hours of mixed screen-on time. While efficient for light use, activities like 4K filming and gaming drain power rapidly. Refueling includes a maximum wired speed of 25 watts and 15-watt Qi 2-ready wireless charging. The 25W pacing is slow by modern flagship standards. Note that the phone requires a specific magnetic case for full Qi 2 utility. The verdict is that the S25 refines a proven formula, priced at $800 for the base 128GB model. It's a highly polished, reliable daily driver, making it an ideal upgrade for S22 users or older.